So in this Coinbase tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin Cash, ticker symbol BCH on Coinbase. So once you have Coinbase open up on your device, go to the bottom and press on the trade tab, which I already am pressed on. But if you were on it, for example, the earn tab, just go ahead and press on trade right here. Once you're on the trade screen, go to the top where it says search for an asset and press on the search bar. Now, once you're in this screen, type in the ticker symbol BCH. If you want to purchase Bitcoin Cash, once that is done, press on BCH at the top, then press on trade at the bottom, and then press on buy BCH with cash. Then once you're in this screen, you can just go ahead and type in the amount of Bitcoin Cash that you want to purchase. So because for this example, I am in Canada, I'm just going to go ahead and press on $2 as this example would show, and then press on review order once that is done. But this can be whatever amount that you decide to invest into Bitcoin Cash. It's now going to take a couple seconds just to identify and sort of get your purchase in order. So once that is done, you can now go ahead and confirm your purchase by pressing place order at the bottom. And there you go. That is how you guys can buy Bitcoin Cash, ticker symbol BCH on Coinbase. I hope this video helped.